Hello, welcome to PHP 7. I'm Alina, and I'm very happy to introduce you to the first major release in PHP in over a decade. The PHP community is very excited to welcome this latest release, but that doesn't mean that PHP has been stagnant all this time. On the contrary, minor releases of PHP 5 brought many exciting features to PHP, including the support of object-oriented programming and the many features associated with that. So first off, why 7 and not 6? Let's just say that Unicode didn't go so well. As with many projects, requirements were not well defined and people couldn't agree on things, so the project ground to a halt. But besides Unicode for encoding special and international characters, almost all the features being discussed for PHP 6 were eventually implemented in PHP 5.3 and later. So we really didn't miss anything else. Through it all, many things were learned and a new process for feature requests was put in place. When the feature set for a major release was accepted, it was decided to avoid confusion with a dead project and to skip to version 7 for the latest release. So what makes PHP 7 so special? In a single word, speed. The developers worked very hard to refactor the PHP codebase in order to reduce memory consumption and increase performance, and they certainly succeeded. Benchmarks for PHP 7 consistently show speeds twice as fast as PHP 5.6, and many times even faster. Although these results are not guaranteed for your project, the benchmarks were tested against major projects such as Drupal and WordPress, so these numbers don't come from abstract performance tests. With statistics showing that 25% of the web is being run on WordPress, this is a great thing for everyone. So what does this mean for you as a developer? Besides making your sites run faster, there are a number of new features in PHP 7, and I'll be covering these top features here. Type declarations, exceptions and error handling, spaceship and null coalescent operators, easy userland cspring. We'll cover some of the gotchas associated with these features, and we'll also introduce you to a few more changes to watch out for. To help you get started right away, I've included links to many different resources, as well as downloads of any of the code snippets used in these videos. So hold on to your hat and buckle up for this exciting time in PHP.